How did I get here?
We transported you here because you have been chosen to be the bearer of light.
Rex, I can't believe we're flying.
This is the greatest rush ever.
As you can see, my dog can talk, and we were given superpowers to save the world. It seems like the world is going crazy with thousands of possessed children. Fireballs chasing me. Statues of presidents coming after me. It is an epic battle of good versus evil. If we don't win, the Earth will be destroyed.
Don't miss the world's newest superhero, Super CJ, the strongest boy in the world.